take me 5 minutes. This didn't even take 5 minutes. And I can be out the door. I can be out the door already, right? Isn't that easy? Yeah. That's this wig. So let me give you some more deets on it if you like it and you want to get it. So, sister wig. Hey sis, hey. The Dream, and this color that I have is Sombre RT 27/30. It also says DR-H Apple on it as well. So it's right here. That right there is the back. Yeah, $26. I say you can't beat it. I haven't had any shedding since I've been doing this. Since I've been